Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can define primary key. So this is also a constraint. So let's do this. I'm going to create a new table for this. So I'm going to create a new table, create table YouTuber, let's say. I will give some column name. So first of all, channel ID, okay? And let's say it's integer, okay? So now, if you want to use your column as primary key, what you have to do, you just have to say here primary space key, let's say channel name varchar 255, and that's it. Let's say you forget to mention here primary key, then how can actually you do this? So you can actually give here a primary key and then execute this query, then it will actually add this column as primary key. Let's say you forget to mention the primary key, so then how you can actually add them? So we're going to execute this query, and here you can see it's successfully done. I want to actually set the column as primary key. If I say here select all from YouTuber semicolon, execute it, and here you can see we have channel ID. So now let's make channel ID as primary key. Okay, so how to make it? I will say alter table, then the table name is, let's say, YouTuber, right? YouTuber, and I'm going to say here, and here I'm going to say add constraint, okay, and the constraint type would be primary key. All right, and in the parenthesis, inside parenthesis, actually we have to mention the column name. So the column name is channel underscore ID, right? This channel ID, okay. Copy field name, paste it here, channel ID. That's it. Semicolon, execute it. Now the column ID, channel ID is primary key. Now the primary key means you cannot give a null value, you have to give value, and the value should be unique. So now let's insert some value. So I will say insert into the table name is YouTuber, and here what I have to do, I have to insert to value, okay. So I will add values, and then like this, and here to go to the new line, and in the YouTuber we have two column, right? YouTube ID, or sorry, channel ID, right? Channel underscore ID, then comma channel underscore name, and in the value, let's say I want to add multiple values, so I will say here like this, and I'm going to give here comma, and here the channel ID should be unique, okay. So you cannot give here null value, and it should be unique. So let's say I have 101, and then channel name, let's say data, okay, and we have another column, let's say the channel name we take piano, WLEDGE, knowledge, okay, we take knowledge, and the third one, let's say same 102 comma, let's say take knowledge. Now let's execute it, and here you can see the error. So the error is duplicate entry, okay, 102. So it should be unique, right? If you set any column as primary key, it should be unique and it cannot be null. Let's say I don't want to use here any ID. So if I execute it, now you can see you have an error in your SQL syntax. Now let's say I want to insert 103. So name can be same, right? Because it's this is not unique and something else. So execute it. Now you can see executed successfully. Now let's say I want to fetch the data, select all from the table YouTuber, okay, semicolon, execute it, and here you can see we have added all the value, right? If this video is helpful for you, please make sure to give a like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.